Hey everyone, Adam here at Redwater Dodge. Today we're going to talk about this 2022 Ram 1500 Sport. It's a fresh trade, we just took it in. What makes it a little bit special, despite having 175,000 kilometers, it is one owner, clean title, no accidents. A bit of a rare gem in that respect. We're going to go to the inside first. On the driver's side, sport trim, you get nice cloth slash leather interior. If you take a look at the seats, you can see the nice cloth inserts combined with the leather kind of bolsters. Overall, really nice shape, a little bit of wear on the driver bolster, but besides that, the interior is really well kept. Back seats, really nice condition. You have all weather mats that are included in this. We have some nice side rails down here. Mud flaps on the vehicle as well. We're going to go to the front. The tires are in really nice shape. The brakes are in nice shape. We haven't inspected this, but all our vehicles do get inspected and serviced. I see a little crack on the windshield, but that'll be getting fixed. Front end, overall decent. A little bit of pitting on the paint, but to be expected in Alberta at this age for the vehicle. Body, super straight. Panels are really clean. It's not marked up with tons of scratches or damage. If you want to take a look at the interior, 12-inch display there for the head unit. And again, I'll just show this side. You can see the black headliner, nice door panel inlays for the Sport right here. Oop. Bed cover as well on this one, backup camera, and then there is a bed liner in this vehicle as well. Overall, exceptional shape for the age of this and the kilometers. If you'd like more information, feel free to reach out, ask for Adam. I'm happy to give some more details on it. And if you want to take it for a spin, you're more than welcome. Hope to hear from you.